So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Today we are going to look at some of the best design tool resources assets for UX UI designers out there, and this month we have a bunch of new launches as well as a lot of cool AI stuff that I'm a huge fan of now. And before moving ahead in this video, I just want you to know, if you are interested in AI, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees and the link is in the description and more details are ahead in the video, and let's start the video.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
I am a huge fan of Figma, and now Figma has a new AI design tool that I am super excited about called Mush, and that is something you can find for free in the community, and it's created by Pablo Stanley. This little tool is powered by ChatGPT 4, so it's kind of powerful. I have this nice cute little SVG animation right here which follows my mouse, and then I can start creating one page web design. So in this case I can say dog food selling website, perfect, and I'm going to click on this little arrow to make it work. As you can see, it's now doing things in real time here. Things are being added including images, text, little layout sections are being added. Once you are done with it, you can see all the images, text, everything has been generated using AI. Nothing here is original or being shot by anybody else. Now what's cool over here is, if I have any feedback I want to give to this little tool, it will listen to me and fix it for me. So I can say better text for my titles, click on my design here and then click on my remix icon here, and it says dreaming new ideas, and it's going to replace, as soon as you can see on the screen in real time, all the text on the screen, so as to make it more convincing or better. Alright, so the next tool is Peerlist Profile. This tool can possibly replace resumes in the design world. This is called Peerlist Profile version 2. To you, it can create like a resume, like a page for yourself online on their platform, and it has a lot of cool design quirks added to it, including this nice meme emoji that appears. You have tabs to showcase your skills. It itself is trying to become the new age LinkedIn for sort of text and design folks. They have their own connection boards where you can connect with other people similar to LinkedIn, but since their community is much smaller, you get to personally talk to more people and build a cool network apart from LinkedIn, as well as 3D designs. And I'm very crazy about 3D designs. Before diving deep into the 3D design tool, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays, you all know that AI has taken over the world in just a short span of time, and we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3R AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity, and also enhance your career. So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now, and let's continue the video ahead. So the third tool we have is that is Flying 3D Trend, and this tool keeps on getting better and better. And this was introduced really in mid-November, and this cool 3D technique that they have added called Goin spitting or spitting, whatever you want to call it. Here what it's going to do is, you can literally scan your face or an object around you and turn it into a 3D object that can be editable in a 3D tool like Spline. And boy, some of these design people are creating using this are actually going viral as well as, and I'm sure that you have seen this lady's face inside this glass box, where if you turn it around you can't see the lady anymore, but as if this lady is trapped inside this box. This could be really cool to have on your portfolio projects. I'll have a link to try out all these things in the description, but if you want me to make a complete tutorial, please let me know in the comment section and we'll do that for you actually. Next tool is Figma Design Report. So guys, who is better to tell us about design trends than Figma itself? This year they have done something called State of the Designer, where they are showcasing how designers are working these days, the kind of jobs they are looking at, how they are using tools like Figma, etc. So if you want to know how the world and what the world is doing in the field of UX design, State of the Designer is a must have. This useful for companies, but I think this is useful for individuals to check out what designers are doing, what they are looking for, what is their demand and how is the supply. Just check it out. I think this is a cool resource. Since Figma updates, we are talking about Figma, let's also talk about their cool new update, what they are calling their little big updates, and they have included 20 plus small changes that affect our daily design practice. And my top 3 would definitely have to be: number 1, now when you hover over a font name or even a font way or a style, it will change the font accordingly. You can even do this with the size of the text, the thickness of the text, so everything will now happen live. If you like it, you select it, and if you don't, just exit. Finally, Figma comments are getting useful now. You can actually add images, picture, etc. inside your comments. almost like an attachment to the comment. But the cool thing is that you can even add gifs, so I'm sure your team will enjoy. You can put up a funny gif on it, maybe a serious one according to your work, or just angry one if you're angry on someone. And the next AI tool that I was genuinely excited was Product Lab AI. This is a super useful and would have been useful when I was working in a company. Throughout this tool, you can create personas using AI. So you can tell it about your projects, etc., and it will try and create a persona for you. And you can create journey maps for your user as well, something that both UX designer and product managers both kind of. And the next tool is for the lazy designers, that is AI presentation, who hate making presentations simple. For that, Pitch has introduced Pitch 2.0, and what it does is, on their homepage you can add whatever kind of presentation you want to make. So this case I'll say dog food substitute for dog who are traveling, and in real time this will start building a nice little web presentation for me. And wow, look at this, how beautiful it has designed these presentations for me. Nice color which is consistent all through these pages. The images are absolutely beautiful. The thing is, again, I can change the font if I don't like, I can change the theme for this if I don't like. It can generate new color palettes on the fly, and I can even edit my prompts if I don't like something, or if I want to add something, I even add something right here in real. Once I'm happy, I just say start editing, and it gives me the slew of superpowers that they already have in their tools. So the next tool is for UI designers, that is SVGs AI, that is being started using in the designs, and we can generate SVGs, and that will be insane using AI. So if I say I have a cupcake, and I was surprised by how good the results are, and every time you write a cupcake, it will generate a slightly different version of this cupcake. So you can literally generate unlimited number of SVGs that look different, and you can give you a better idea of what you want. They are a promising 100% free, no limitations, no sign up, and no watermark, so nothing is needed, and you'll get the entire tool for absolutely free. And guys, that is it for this video. I hope you like the information given in the video. So don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any doubt, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, do remember that we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, and believe me, that would really help you to achieve your goals in AI. And believe me, you'll learn a lot of new things, and do check that out. The link is in the description, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.